Hi, welcome to my Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw Butterbean and with the logo. So follow along with me. I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to start with Butterbean, the name. So let's start with this. So I'm going to draw a big fat bee. You're going to start up here. You can just make sort of the outline of a big bee. Something like that. And now inside you're going to draw two circles. Not precisely, you can draw it the way you want. And look, there's a bee. And we're going to draw it sort of in a curve. I'm going to start with a U. And don't worry, you don't have to do it perfect. You can just try to do it in nice big fat letters. And then T. I'm going to draw a T here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it up and I'm going to stop right there. And then I'm going to do the top of the T. And you can do it like that. And we're just going to bring it all together, another T. And I'm just going to bring the foot down of the T and connect it right there. So B-U-T-T, E, a nice round fat E. There we go, there's an E, great. R. There we have an R. Another B, a small b, not a capital. So just the outline as usual, just an outline. There we go, there's an outline and a little circle inside. Let's go on to the E. And you see I make this letters not in a straight line but sort of a curve down. A. There we go, and there's an A. N. S. So I'm going to start with the inside, I'm going to make it small and I'm going to make it big. And you don't have to do it perfectly. There we go. Good. Butterbean and cafe. Let's write cafe underneath it. So there's C. I'm going to start the outline of the C. I'm doing the outline first. Then I'm going to go inside. Nice and round. There we go. A. Circle inside. F. E. Cafe. Butterbean's cafe. Great. Now above Butterbean, above the B, right above the B, I'm going to draw a butterfly. So just the outline of a butterfly. There we go. The wings. There we go, and then just a line inside. Good. There we go. And now sprinkles, little sprinkles inside this butterfly cookie. It looks like a cookie. There we go. Perfect. And now for the bean at the background. I'm going to leave a little space open because I want to draw Butterbean's hands right there. And you can just draw sort of a bean all around like this. There we go. And there's a bean. From here, I want to draw some decorations. Just rough decorations everywhere. There we go, there's one. There's a decoration. Maybe let's draw you one up here as well. There we go. There, I'm just leaving a space open. Leave a space open. I'll show you now what we're going to do. We're going to draw hands there. maybe something like that. Maybe here at the bottom, let's draw another decoration like this, and maybe one here as well. There we go. Good. There we go. Good. I think that's finished. Now let's start with Butterbean. First I'm going to draw the hand. I'm going to draw sort of a 4 fingers, a hand like this, and then the other hand, just draw something like this here. There we go. There's the other hand. Perfect. The arm right there, and there's a cuff here. There we go. What we're going to do now we're going to draw Butterbean's face. I'm going to draw the jawline first because it's easier for me. There's a jawline. Alright, now I'm going to draw a nose. So first of all, I'm just going to draw a little nose right here. There we go. Very small little nose. There we go. There would be a nose. So underneath that I'll draw a little smile, the corners of the mouth, and I'm going to draw the lips. There's a top lip, and right here I will draw a bottom lip as well. There we go. Perfect. There's a little smile. Now we know roughly where the eyes is going to be. So I'm going to start with the first eye. Here's one eye. I'm going to draw roughly the same shape there as well. The iris, and of the pupils. So I'm just going to draw a pupil here. I'm going to draw another one there, roughly about there. There we go. And as usual, light reflections. And let's color in the pupil. Wonderful. Eyelashes. Here we go. Good. What I suggest you do, there's a eyebrow. What I suggest you can do is when you draw these pictures, do it with a pencil first and then use a marker, because I use a marker because it's a little bit darker, easier for you to see, and later on you can finish your final drawing with a marker. Alright, so the hair. Now I want to draw the ears, and on this side I'm just going to draw the other ear as well. Then the hair, so I'm just going to draw a piece of hair here, and then here I'm going to sort of draw a braid. There we go. Maybe let's make 3 of them, and on this side I'm going to draw a bean that Butterbean's got in her hair. There we go, and there's the front part of the hair finished. From here, the ear, I want to draw the shoulder, so I'm just going to draw a line like that. There we go. And here let's draw the arm again. So I'm just going to draw 2 little lines. I'm just copying these lines because this hand is going behind the face, and I just draw the arm all the way around, and from here you're just going to draw the arm like that. There's 2 arms. Great, perfect. Now for the hair, let's finish the hair. So I'm just going to take it all the way around. There's one piece, there's another one, and there's the last strand of hair, and then maybe the hair at the back as well. There's one, there we go, and there. Then on this side, let's draw the hair. Maybe a strand there. Let's draw another line there, and then let's draw the final part up here. Okay, there we go. And now for the wings, Butterbean's wings. There's one wing. Let's finish this wing first. And sprinkles. One wing is finished, and then the last one. You can take it all the way around. There we go. And we're gonna do this. Perfect. There we go. And there's Butterbean. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Bye bye.